Yes, in the next 4 to 5 minutes, I'm going to share with you a company whose stock just started trading on the market a few days ago, and in the past 2 to 3 days, it has surged from 5 cents to over 30 cents, gaining around 460%. Also, rest assured, almost no one has properly analyzed this company and shared it with you before me, and this could genuinely be a life-changing opportunity for you. To be honest, I'm sure many of you won't have the patience to watch this video till the end, but those who do might just become the wealthy individuals of a few years from now. So, what is the name of this company? The company in question is called Classover Holdings Incorporated Warrants. It was originally founded in New York in 2020, and its stock recently surged from 5 cents to nearly 40 cents, closing the last trading day, Friday, at 22 cents. While this company operates in the education sector, offering both online and in-person classes, when we take a closer look at its $400 million deal with the Solana cryptocurrency, it becomes quite clear that what this company is really aiming to do is to combine 4 elements: technology, education, artificial intelligence, and cryptocurrency. Just a few days ago, Classover signed a $400 million equity purchase facility agreement focused on a Solana-centric digital asset strategy. This capital will be used for purchasing and holding Solana long-term, staking, and establishing validator nodes. What this means is, the company plans to keep SOL on its balance sheet as a reserve asset and generate staking income through validator nodes. At the same time, it's building a digital asset-based financial model around SOL and has already partnered with some of the blockchain industry's major players like BitGo, Blockstone Capital, and Samara Alpha Management. Now, if we list the potential strengths of this company, the first thing to note is that it's aiming to generate revenue from 2 parallel sectors. The first is education, which continues to grow, and the second is cryptocurrency, where it now has access to $400 million in capital. Another key strength is that this is one of the first companies combining crypto and education, which gives it the chance to carve out a unique space in the market, a path that could eventually bring in massive revenues. Of course, this approach comes with risks too, and I should clarify, the purpose of this video is not to offer investment advice, but to inform and help you stay ahead of emerging opportunities. Another major advantage is the $400 million agreement the company holds. This tells us that the company is not financially restricted, and instead of letting this capital sit idle, it's aiming to build income-generating systems on Solana. For example, staking SOL to earn passive income in the initial phase is one such method. Now let's touch on the risks. From the very beginning, I want to make it clear, companies like this come with big opportunities and big risks. For instance, Classover Holdings is a relatively new company and is not yet profitable. But remember, almost all major companies, like Tesla and Netflix, also spent years operating without profit in their early stages. It often takes time for companies like this to move into the profitable phase. That's why it may be better suited for long-term investors looking to build wealth over time. Another risk is that since part of the business is now tied to cryptocurrency, any future negative regulation surrounding crypto could also negatively affect the company. For example, if Solana's price drops significantly, the value of Classover Holdings' balance sheet will be impacted. So, make sure to consider these factors before investing. And finally, another risk is that at this early stage, it's difficult to perform a solid fundamental analysis on such companies because most of the data available is incomplete or inaccurate. That's why many investments in these types of companies are made based on trust in their future potential. And now we've reached the end of the video. One last note, if you'd like to receive up to $30 worth of free cryptocurrency or stocks, you can register on the QuantFury platform using the link I've included in the video description. Once registered, you can buy and sell your desired stocks or crypto directly on the platform. QuantFury offers this gift to every new user, but you must use the invite code I provided in the description to claim it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you'll be the first to know when I post videos about other companies. Take care, and always remember, a $100 investment you make today could change the quality of your life 100x over in the next 10 years.